Welcome back everyone. This is RN sir from entrances.co.in. As you can see, this is a question from binomial theorem, binomial expansion with odd powers. It's like a plus b whole power 5 and a minus b whole power 5. This is a expression with power half, radical power. That means even powers of this term shall be, you can say, polynomial expressions whose powers of x can be easily calculated. Odd powers of this means power 1, power 3, power 5 will get automatically cancelled. It is like if you write this as, let's say, x plus a whole power 5 plus x minus a whole power 5. In this entire thing, 5 is 0, x power 5, a power 0, this thing will survive from both the terms and therefore we can say it will occur twice, plus 5c1. Now let's say 5c1, that is a power 1 would be positive, would be negative, will get cancelled, and hence 5c2 will only survive. 5c2 for a power 2, x to the power 3, a power 2, and plus 5c4, x power 1 and a power 4 is the last term from this, and that's all. So that means which things did not survive? 5c5, 5c3, 5c1, which belongs to the powers of a power 5. I mean, you look at this, 5c5, x power 0, a power 5 would be negative this side and would be positive this side. So therefore it will get cancelled. The moment these cancellations happen, this is the thing that we are going to have left with a equal to root over x cube minus 1. So therefore, if I calculate this, this will become 5c0 is 1, x power 5, a power 0 is 1. Then 5c2, 5 into 4, 20, 20 by 2 is a 10, x power 3, a power 2, that means a square is x cube minus 1, plus 5c4 is 5, x power 1 into a power 4, that is x cube minus 1 whole square. If we expand this thing, we get like this, x power 5 plus 10x power 6 minus 10x cube plus 5, x power 6, x power 7 plus 1 means simply 5x, and minus 2x cube, so minus 10 x power 4. If everything is fine, let me check. X power 6, 5x power 7, 1 means 5x, and minus 2x cube. Yes, that is correct. Now let's rearrange them in the increasing or decreasing powers of x. So that means we are going to have 5x power 7 is taken. Then I think 10x power 6, this will be taken. Then power 5 is taken. Then minus power 10x power 4 is gone. Possibly x cube minus 10x cube and plus 5x. This is what the expansion of this entire thing looks like. And they are asking that if alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the coefficients of this. So when we compare, like if we look for alpha as coefficient of x power 7, so x power 7 means it's going to have a coefficient of 10. Beta as coefficient of x power 5. X power 5 means this, so it's going to be 2. Gamma is coefficient of x power 3, that is minus 20. And del will be coefficient of x to the power 1. X to the power 1 means 5 into 2, a simple 10. So 10, and then x power 5 is a 2 and minus 20 and 10. These are the coefficients. Given this, you can easily make the equations look like two linear equations in two variables u and v. Then alpha times u means 10u, beta v is a 2v equal to 18. I don't think this is a challenge, but this would be time consuming in case if you want to solve. There's a trick to solving this. Let me tell you this. Minus 20u plus 10v equal to 20. I think you can easily resolve this to equations like this. Let's divide by 2. So let's make it 5u. Instead, let's not waste time on that. Let's solve. So if you multiply by 2, then I'm going to have, well, then we are going to have, multiplying this with a 2, we are going to have a 20u plus 4v equal to 36. This goes off on addition. This goes off. And then we have a 14v is equal to 56. So v is equal to 4. Our job is to obtain u and v. Let's not go into resolving equations. V equal to 4 means this is 8. So 8 that means 10. That means u should be equal to 1. So I think u plus v should have an answer as equal to 5. U plus v should be equal to 5. This should be the answer to this question. Thanks for your patience. We'll get back with more interesting questions. See you in the next question. See you. Bye.